All I've wanted to do all my life is play the trumpet. Maybe if I click this link and register for band, I'll find that ability.
Now entering the band portal.
Where am I? I feel so different. I think... No, wait. I'm a trumpet player. I recognize this. This is my trumpet case. As I get ready to put it together, I'm going to make sure that the latches are going to be opening up. Now I see a couple different things here. I see my trumpet and my mouthpiece. I'm going to take my mouthpiece and gradually set it into the lead pipe and give it a little twist. Not forcing, but just a gentle twist to connect the pieces. And now my trumpet is assembled. On to the next lesson.